YouTube channel. We're currently up over 5,500 views across our 9 videos in the space of 2 weeks. Also, thank you for the feedback, the emails, the comments and the personal messages surrounding our Technical Tuesday videos. Again, we're very happy that people are actually learning things and following some of the trades in order to make a profit themselves.
Yeah guys, this week we had our 11th, 12th and 13th student, and we actually documented them just so you can have a little bit of an insight of what happens in the office across the 2 days. So check it out, and there'll be more videos coming soon. Hopefully we'll have a Technical Tuesday coming up, and we'll also be doing a little video of picking up the Maserati, which we just had wrapped. So a little surprise there for you guys.
Support, wedge, trade level, candlestick. And last but not least, fucking MA crossover. So there's the 5 confluences for a buy on the trend line. So you see how that's entries, by the way. Entries 5. Okay, now we need exits. So A, B, C, got our fib levels here, and you got a D extension 1, 2 and 1, so it's minus 61.8, minus 20. Say 27. Yeah. Okay, so then what we can go and do is start to draw, put a channel on there, see what lines up. So I have a channel on there. We're going to go back in time and find some. How many levels you got on there? Just 2. If you just go back to the weekly, okay. The monthly side, it'll go back to the monthly. Yeah, that's okay. See these ones? Yeah. That's 1.48, we're currently trading at 1.69, so that's like 2,100 pips away. So again, we don't really need these. We aim to look for the most immediate levels, but that one's great, and then this one's great as well. So we just,
so on the monthly I'll just put that on and then...
Yeah, just the 2 immediate ones, and then we come down to the weekly.
Yeah.
Okay, so just drag this up, and then we may do, that's great. So weekly, we've defined our boundaries for the weekly. Because again here, look, double bottom, reversal, pure trend, uptrend since July last year, higher low, higher low, higher low, and this is putting another higher low, but we're key resistance here now. If we break that, we are going to see higher, but there are a lot of people looking at this because it's major monthly and major weekly, so it's a huge level. So we just define that boundary there, so that's great. Just ignore the ones at the bottom because it's too far away. So if you
low. Yeah, so this is a higher low, right, and this is a higher high, yeah? And basically what we want to do, to determine the trend, we want to get 2 of these. So if we've got 2 higher lows, there's our trend. Right. Yeah, that's the basic indication. And as you can see, as the market will go in swings, what we do is basically like a larger terms actual swing trade is looking at something like, for example, let's say we're into a buy trade here. We're probably risking close to about, when it comes to actual swing trading, you could even be risking 200 pips. And then your target would be something like 600 pips. That's a swing trade. Right. And because of that, because you've got such a long target, you can imagine you can live through these kind of
channel. 0.1, 0.2 straight across. Duplicated it in between 0.1 and 0.2, and it's not bang on, but that point there, extended into the future. So if we wouldn't have seen any of this, if you were selling now, you're like, oh, you're a target zone. Obviously you've got the support here, the monthly support there, but if it breaks that, the next target, look how it's reacted to that. And it bounced again and reacted to that again. So at the moment we've got the moving average crossover. It all depends on Aussie. It needs to go up, break that, and then we could come all the way back up here. 0.9800. It's another 500 pips. So if we went down to the 4 hour, do you see any more channels apart from the horizontal channel? Actually, daily. See a channel on daily. Have you done this guy's numbers?
Whose?
It's